office, like I said.
So what I'm gonna be using to fill these in to like make it real, by the way, is like these weird things that my mom says she doesn't need it right now.
Paula comes to me with all
So
this.
yeah, I had yoga class today, so that's why I'm a little bit late, and I've had school and stuff like that, so that's why I haven't been posting much.
And she said, well, I don't want people around here thinking that I can't do things.
So first, I'm gonna draw the design of my squishy on this piece of paper. So I'll be back. By the way, what you're gonna need to do if you want to make a squishy, if you're like following along with me, you're gonna need to fold the paper up.
And
so yeah, seriously, I'll be back.
okay,
now I just have to cut out the design to make it real. Whoa! Alright, I'm sorry that I'm saying I'll be back so much, but seriously.
I'm very particular, but
okay, now we have to fill it in. So this is what I did. Basically, just draw it like that, and I'm gonna see the inside. So yeah, these are what they include. It's like this pieces of soft, squishy foam that squish really, really well. So I'm gonna insert them, and you guys can watch.
I said that's the way I've always done things.
For some reason, I think I might have to cut them a little bit.
Ew, a statue of Sai-san.
So I'm just gonna slip them in. And now I'm just using a glue pen because it's the easiest and first thing that I saw. Whoopsie.
Ah, and the prologue quest is out. Dun, dun, dun. What are you doing? Knock it off.
Ooh. Oh, dude. I thought I'm only gonna be able to fit these ones. Oh man, that's too bad. That's alright though. One second. Okay, what I was using was not working, so I grabbed myself some tape. Now let's go.
Brandy's frustrated. She wants a promotion.
Did she just get there?
Yeah, it's like been 6 months. And granted, yes, you do all the duties of a project manager, but I would be very careful how you approach that conversation.
Yeah.
I said maybe it's just me talking. I've never asked for anything. Never, any job ever, I've never asked for a title change or whatever.
Oh, that's surprising that she's asking for a promotion.
Well, and part of it is that she sees Janelle floundering around and not getting it and doing, you know, a third or less of the workload.
Right, well.
And she has the same title.
Well, okay, I can.
And that's not fair.
It is not fair.
But, you know, and certainly she brings that mentality to it. She's, you know, she reminds me of me. But she's going to have to do more than just spans in order to be a project manager. And I could probably help her with that, but I need everybody on
I mean,
board.
it's hard to see the stay happy part, but isn't it cute? It's very, very squishy. And if I could hand it to you guys so you guys could feel it, I definitely would. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video of me making a cute little squishy that has the sun on it and says stay happy. Stay tuned for more. Bye guys. Or should I stay? Bye.